The mobile racking system is widely used in various scenarios. In small and medium-sized warehouses, it can optimize the spatial layout and improve the storage efficiency. In the cold storage environment, it operates stably and makes full use of the limited low-temperature space in the warehouse of the pharmaceutical industry. It performs exceptionally well in the classified storage and efficient management of drugs. The outstanding advantage of this racking system is that all racks share one aisle, greatly saving space. Moreover, the loading height can be customized according to your requirements, which can perfectly adapt to different goods storage requirements. The mobile racking system greatly improves the utilization rate of the warehouse and is the ideal choice for your warehouse management.